Hi, today I'm going to show you how I cook baby bok choy. It's very easy, very simple. So we have two kind of bok choy here, like the regular bok choy and the baby one. This is like the baby size, very small. So for the baby size like this, you do not need to cut it in smaller pieces. I normally just cut it in half vertically. So like this. And just cut in half. So that's enough. And this is the ones that I'm gonna cook. So before I cook it, I'm going to wash them first with cold water, not hot water. So I'm gonna let this baby bok choy to soak a little bit. So I really like stir-fry vegetables with garlic. So I'm going to use, for that much of bok choy, I'm going to use 5 cloves of garlic. So some of them are smaller. 1, 2, 3, 4. For too small, I'm gonna count it 1. How do I prepare garlic? So this clove, I'll just smash it and then remove the peel. So it's very fast. I wouldn't bother peel each garlic. So smashing and take off the peel is the fastest way. I actually taught my husband how to prepare garlic like this, because my husband likes cooking too, and I found it taking time to peel garlic, like it was the most difficult part for him to in cooking, was peeling garlic, until I showed him this is how you want to peel garlic. Okay. Alright, so now after you smash and took off all the peels, you wanna just chop it like this. Roughly, not too fine, because I wanna be able to taste the pieces, and also to prevent the burning of the garlic if you chop it too fine. All right, so that's it. Now drain the water from the bok choy and let it sit. Okay, now I'm going to cook my bok choy. I have here light soy sauce, oyster sauce, ground white pepper. In most Asian cooking, we use white pepper instead of black pepper, sugar, and one more thing. It is Chinese cooking wine. All right. Heat the oil, like 3 tablespoons, 2 or 3 tablespoons. When the oil is hot, put in the garlic. You want to saute the garlic only until fragrant, not burning. So probably like, what is this, like 10 to 15 seconds. Oops. Now add in the bok choy. So stir the bok choy so that the garlic will not sit on the pan and getting burnt. Now I'm going to add the cooking wine. Probably like 1 teaspoon. You know, I do not normally measure everything in my cooking. And white pepper. See, I ran out of this bottle. Luckily, I have another one. Loose sugar, like half teaspoon. Soy sauce, 1 teaspoon. Last, I'm going to add the oyster sauce, like 1 tablespoon. And remember to always keep your oyster sauce in the refrigerator after you use it, after you open it. So stir it again until all mix well together. So this is very easy. This is how I normally cook my veggie. So that's it. You do not want to cook the veggie too long because you still want to taste the crunchiness. Turn off the heat. And it's ready to be served. This is my stir-fry baby bok choy with garlic. It's very easy to make and very fast and very healthy too. See you next time.